Let's bring mymelody to life, starting with the eyes. Line up the eyes with the nose like this. I've got 5 more alignment points that will make her look just right. And the number 6 is the big one, so stick around for that. Alignment 2. The eyes sit at the halfway mark here. Alignment 3. The outer edge of the eyes lines up with this part of the hood. That hood is basically her signature. Alignment 4. Split the hood's full height in half. Proportion is everything with her. We are sketching in pencil first, but the outline is what locks in her final shape. Now the color brings her to life. Alignment 5. Don't make this part wider than the eye area. That's a common slip up and it steals her sweetness. The body stays simple, nothing fancy. Alignment 6. Keep these parts at the same height to nail the proportions. Get this right and she looks exactly like the mymelody you know.